How to transfer money using the Huntington Mobile App. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to transfer money using the Huntington Mobile App in just a few easy steps. First off, you want to open up the Huntington Mobile App, or you can just continue on with your web browser. Go ahead and search for huntington.com and make sure to sign into your account. Now, once you sign in here, what you can do is choose the transfer from option and select the account that you want to send money from. And once you have done that, you can just tap on transfers. Then you can select another Huntington account or an external linked account. You can enter the amount that you want to transfer. You can just pick the date for the transfer, either today or any future dates. Then you can tap on continue and review the details to make sure everything is correct, and finally hit the submit button. Now you'll get a confirmation screen showing your transfer is scheduled or complete based on what you've chosen. And that's it. You've successfully moved your money in less than a minute. Here are some of the helping guides for you from Huntington's official website as well. You can read through these if you want. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you on the next one.